You're welcome back again to this channel with another mind-blowing gist. If this is the first time you see my face, I beg, click on that subscription button. Now I'm going to be taking us through just little steps that can help you achieve those things that we are all aiming for here on YouTube. Sit right and enjoy the gist. As a YouTuber who wants to grow on YouTube, you must be able to think creatively and unconventionally by approaching situations with open mind. If not, attack you, because YouTube, one day you may even wake up and say, I'm not doing again. We are all on YouTube pursuing the same goal, right? But your ability to think outside the box will give you your subscribers, will give you your viewers, will give you your likes, and at the end of the day, we help you get your channel monetized. When I opened my first channel, I was speaking to a friend about my channel. His question was, will you monetize your channel? Who doesn't like to monetize his channel? As a YouTuber, if you want your channel to be monetized, you must be able to think outside the box. To be able to monetize your channel, the first step is to do a brain dump. Brain dumping helps you to bring those ideas, your thoughts about YouTube. When you are able to bring those ideas about YouTube, you are able to put them together. You'll be able to focus on what matters most on YouTube. As a YouTuber who wants to get subscribers, you want to get views so that your channel gets to that stage of monetization, you have to broaden your scope of relevance on YouTube. For a start, it's very important to pick a niche. Expand outside your niche. You have to broaden. Now, let me give you an example. As a YouTuber, you picked a particular niche to start your YouTube channel. Now you have started your channel. Let's say for that channel, you usually don't have views. To even get subscribers sef is a problem. You don't like the way things are going in your channel. You want subscribers. You want viewers. Yes, that gives you joy. When you are very happy that yes, you are doing great in your channel. And you find out that things are not just going well. Will you just limit yourself thinking about how to fix the channel? That may take too long. You go from thinking about fixing that channel to developing sharper ideas that your viewers will like, and boom, the next tip to help your channel is to walk backward from the goal of your channel. Walking backward from the goal of your channel will help you focus on the outcome that your channel is giving you than the process. Let's say yesterday you uploaded a video and that video got 500 views. Today you uploaded another video and that video gave you 200 views. Now you have to think, where is the problem coming from? Are you sure my description is okay? Are you sure my title is okay? What about my tags? Next time you'll be able to do those things right. That will make people to be attracted to your videos and they will start subscribing. The next one is to brainstorm with your YouTube colleagues. This can just be a great way for you to spark on YouTube by brainstorming with your YouTube colleagues. YouTube is a place that allows everyone to share ideas. If you want to be a YouTuber, you just come on YouTube without the idea of how to stay on YouTube. And you just want to start posting. You just want to start getting views, start getting subscribers. You must brainstorm. Whatever you don't know about, you don't understand, ask. There is something you're not doing well. You don't understand, ask questions. Brainstorm with your colleagues, people who are more experienced on YouTube than you. Brainstorm with them. If you are a new YouTuber, brainstorm with them. YouTube is so broad. By brainstorming with your YouTube colleagues, you'll be able to get possible solutions, even the ones that seem unlikely. Unlikely approaches on YouTube may be what will help that your channel to grow, may be what will give you your subscribers, your viewers, and help you get your channel monetized. I'll be bringing you more on the channel. If you don't want to miss out, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our gist. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.